Wow. This is one of Smurfy's favourite days. Throwing my coins around. It can entertain her for hours. Of all the expensive toys that you could possibly buy in the world, this is probably her favourite. It's free. She never bores of it. Do you? Hours of fun. We just thought we'd post a little video this morning to say hello to everybody. The reason I'm sweating buckets and dripping all over my table is I've just come back from outside being gardening. And we're going to go outside shortly and go for a walk. After I've cleaned up all the coins that are being thrown around my living room. Never a dull day with Parrot. Look at me, I'm sweating. Ugh. I did read somewhere once that you have to be careful with parrots licking metal and stuff because they can get metallic shock. As you can see, that doesn't seem to be a problem with Smurfy. Because she doesn't lick the coins, she just throws them everywhere. Yeah. I've tried over the years to buy her really nice toys. And most of them have gone to parrot charities or my friend who has a 30-odd-year-old African grey male called George. Because Smurf has no interest in most toys that are available to parrots. There are only very few ones that she really loves.
I'm going to clean this tomorrow.
You're going to clean this tomorrow? You're going to clean this today?
If you're hungry.
That didn't make sense.
Have you got some mackerel?
Yes. So yeah, I've just worked out that there are very few toys which she does actually like, and she will really like them, and they'll get hours of entertainment. But most of the toys that she really loves are free toys, like the coins, or a box, or a newspaper, or my kitchen units, or my Venetian blinds. Isn't that right? Does anybody want a parrot? Anyway, we thought we'd just make this video. Many of you have asked us to make more parrot videos, so this is your fault. This is what reality looks like living with a parrot. It's like having a 2-year-old child that never grows up. Have you finished now? You're going to talk. You're going to say something. Are you proud of yourself? You asked for this. Done?